Actually, I might give you some DPS with Reaper.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
You weren't giving those guns to toss around like trash.
I don't take lessons from you.
Oh, I don't know they talk like that.
Yeah, they're not good for him. Don't forget to pop all the balloons, guys. Shit, one got away. Widowmaker, get it!
No, I got it. I got it. We're good.
5, 4,
There's one way up there!
3, 2, 1. Attackers
Oh man, Ana, you let it live.
defend objective A.
Let's get him.
Zarya, Widow, maybe?
If they take the high ground, let's back up to point.
We should back a little bit here, because they're gonna keep coming at us.
He heals. You got him? They're down. Back up, down the healer.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Watch out, Reaper behind. Oh, he's slapped. Sorry, I woke him up.
My ultimate is charged. My ultimate is ready.
Heals if you got him. Thank you. Hold your ult.
Push this shit. Push this shit. Oh, he hit.
She's supercharged.
Nice job, guys.
Yeah, we won that fight.
My ultimate is charged.
Help me with Ash.
Always was the better shot.
Burn in there.
Thank you.
Oh shit, Reinhardt needs heals. Another off.
Heals. Come back if you got him.
Nice sleep.
Nope, never mind. I'm dead. They've got him.
Oh, that's like 17
Alright, we
ults.
lost it.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Where's the Ash?
Reaper behind.
Moira low.
Nice, got him. Reinhardt dead. They're down there.
Watch out.
Don't let them past this.
The Ash to the right, I think. We'll rally.
Nice block. Nice.
Nice, there we go.
Zarya too.
Big
Thanks for giving
Hey!
me my gold damage
Good ult.
back,
Okay, be
Reaper.
wary, guys. We don't have any ults.
Nah. Yeah, neither do they right now. Oh no, actually they're probably pretty close.
About to have a
Reaper
D.Va.
probably has his.
Get behind.
And Zarya definitely has
Can you stun this dude when he comes in?
I think they're gonna go on high
Aw.
ground. I'm gonna try to boop them.
Oh, he's one. I'm dead. Reaper behind.
McCree's low.
Fuck. There too. Too bad I overextended. Uh-oh. Fuck. Regroup if we can.
That healing guy right there.
Let's focus the Rein shield so I can use it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Good ult. Fucker stuff in there.
I'm dead. Oh. Did you just saved my life?
Yeah, with that shield, you like that?
Yeah.
I couldn't decide. He was just out of range for the move, you know?
I need heals.
Nice.
Heals if you got him. Thank you. Good heals. Heals been really fucking good.
I kill that Zen. He was
Body
pissing
block.
me off.
D.Va, you need a body block and they push forward here.
Body block
They
where?
can come from, like, they can come from like 5 angles. You know, just like,
That's not possible.
Lucio, he's ulted.
Fuck. Wow. Zen behind you. Turn to your left. Turn to your left. Nice. Fucking Reinhardt.
Nice.
Dude, we have a lot of people with the high damage. I just dropped all the way down to bronze damage. That's crazy.
I have silver.
I have platinum damage somehow.
Score
Platinum.
0 to 1.
I have diamond damage.
Dude, I've only gotten diamond damage for one.
Prepare to attack.
Once. I don't know why I just said
Select your
one.
hero.
Okay, so we just play dive and win, right?
We have a lever, guys.
Oh
Uh-oh.
shit. Maybe no.
No, he said he had to relock. He had to
Oh.
relock.
Oh, okay.
But we should still like be like, God damn it, GG in chat.
Yeah. Welcome back.
I think you win.
Stick to the plan. And if you get into trouble, I'll bail you
I have
out.
a 42 weapon percent accuracy. That's pretty good.
I wonder what mine was.
Attack commences
That is really good.
in 30 seconds.
Yeah, my Reaper one is fucking ass. The shotguns. Just fucking spray into it.
I never usually do this good as McCree. You might just be the character.
It's
of the
because
day.
nah, it's because Reinhardt's fucking crushing it right now. When the tanks create space, it's so
Go bottom
easy.
left, guys. They're gonna run Bastion.
Okay.
5, 4, 3.
Yeah, it makes sense considering I only got the first.
Capture objective A.
Group up with me.
Y'all are going bottom left, okay.
Nope, they are. I was just taking a peek. They're all set up on the far side. Just run by it. Run through it so you can.
Oh, we can't run through this.
Yeah, I can.
Just get past the tip.
Drop one. As well.
Okay, let's try going behind them up on the high ground so that Bastion's exposed.
Routing towers, forward shield.
We just need to all get on point so the Bastion has to jump down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually a
Which we
good
did. We
idea.
got him at the end there. You can lead it. Oh shit.
Oh, you got melted, I'm sorry.
I got fucking Bastion one, Bastion one.
Bastion's dead.
Got him. Orissa's one.
We have a spawn advantage.
Oh my god, how is Orisa not dead? There we go. Jesus Christ, we got Orisa too. Now.
I'm back in the game.
My ultimate is charging.
Don't gather, get the point. Get the point before that Bastion can set up again. This is probably
Taking the objective. I'm gonna shoot you down. Helden sterben nicht.
Bastion down. You got res.
Oh, get the round.
Damn it.
Oh, yeah.
Bastion down.
Nanoed
Stay on the point. I'm
Just
gonna
get on point. Just fight like ah, shit.
If we are to progress, we must praise the objective.
I'm back in the game.
I got Lucio. I don't know how, but I just shot and killed him.
Alright, hang on. We gotta fall back, Rein. Fall back, Rein.
I'm back.
they've dropped Bastion, so now we have advantage. These guys.
Let's go right.
Try as much as we can.
Helden sterben nicht.
Oh shit, I just got whacked.
Oh, I'm dead. I got Reinhardt.
Ah, we lost. We just got fucking steamrolled.
Yeah.
Fall back.
It was a good game. Good game, guys.
Bunny hop.
Overtime.
Step right up.